To troubleshoot an Absa Bank student account, start by gathering all relevant information and documents related to the account, including the account number, card details, and any recent transaction records. First, identify the issue, whether it is a transaction error, account lockout, or missing funds. Knowing the specific problem will help you narrow down the troubleshooting steps. Next, check the Absa Bank website and mobile app for any scheduled maintenance or outages that may be affecting your account access. If the issue persists, try resetting your online banking password or contacting the Absa Bank customer support team for assistance. Another step is to review your account activity to ensure there are no suspicious transactions. If you notice any unfamiliar transactions, report them to Absa Bank immediately to prevent further unauthorized access. Additionally, ensure your account details are up to date, including your phone number and email address, to receive important account notifications and alerts. You can update your details via the Absa Bank mobile app or by visiting a nearby branch. If you are experiencing issues with your debit card, try checking the expiration date and available balance to ensure it is valid and has sufficient funds. You can also try contacting the Absa Bank Card Division for assistance with card-related issues. Lastly, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, visit an Absa Bank branch or contact the customer support team to request assistance from a banking representative. They will be able to investigate and resolve the issue, providing a clear explanation of the cause and any necessary next steps. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your Absa Bank student account, ensuring you can manage your finances efficiently and effectively. It is essential to stay calm and methodical when troubleshooting to avoid unnecessary complications and ensure a swift resolution to the issue at hand.